What's the meaning of beauty spot? Beauty spot. Beauty spot.
Beauty spot. Beauty spot. A beauty spot is a small, often round, and aesthetically pleasing mark or blemish on the skin. Typically found on the face, these marks have historically been considered a sign of beauty and have even been imitated with makeup. Beauty spots have been popular throughout history, with people using small patches to cover moles or freckles or even creating fake ones with materials like velvet or black silk. In modern times, beauty spots are often seen as charming and attractive, giving character to the face. However, it's important to note that not everyone has a beauty spot, and all individuals should feel confident and beautiful regardless of their appearance.